I'm Anna Salas, and I'm inviting you to a free webinar on February 14th. I'd like to introduce you to the 9 essential questions so that you can stop overgiving, regenerate, 10x your resilience, and begin to master the art of receiving. I've been at this a while, life coach, energy healer. I was doing it before it was a thing. In 1991, I was working alongside physicians in Moscow, Russia, when the Soviet Union was collapsing and they didn't have any painkillers for their burn patients. And using only my hands, I was able to completely stop pain in one of the patients that I was assigned to during his debriding process. And I was also able to generate stem cells in a man who was facing amputation in his leg if a skin graft wasn't going to be possible. That's regeneration. That's resilience. And my own life has been an interesting journey to finding that way of being in the world. So I would love to celebrate Valentine's Day with you if you are a heart-centered, high-intensity leader, helper. Maybe you pilot a medevac helicopter. Maybe you're a surgeon. Maybe you're an educator, which is really stressful these days, because what we need to first look at as we're coming into greater resilience and 10xing our energy, we have to look at the balance that we're in. We have to ask ourselves, are we in SOBS? Sacrificial, overgiving belief systems. And if so, how do we step out of that story into the story of how to master the art of receiving and then living in a community that can and will love and appreciate win-win with you part of that story?